Hello! Welcome to Learn and Master English Grammar with Teacher Rosh. Can you pause for a while and try to give the meaning of these words? Insure, assure, insure. Do you want to know how to use them in sentences correctly? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch it until the end so you won't miss any of my tips on how to use them easily and precisely in sentences. Let's begin! Insure, assure, and insure are often used interchangeably, but they have slightly different meanings and connotations. While all three words convey a sense of security or protection, they are used in different contexts and with different degrees of emphasis. Understanding the subtle distinctions among these three words is important for effective communication and clear writing. Insure means to make certain that something will happen or be the case. For example, we will ensure that all guests have a comfortable stay at our hotel. Assure means to tell someone confidently that something is true or will happen. For example, the manager assures me that my job is secure. Insure means to protect against a potential loss or harm by obtaining insurance coverage. For example, I will insure my car against theft and damage. Now let's check what you have learned. Complete the sentences using insure, assure, or insure. The company ensures that all data is kept confidential. I want to insure myself against any potential medical expenses. The salesperson assures me that the product is of high quality. The government will take steps to ensure that everyone has access to clean water. You are brilliant! Hope you have learned a lot today. Please comment down below if you have questions or any topic in mind that you want me to tackle. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!